Hello, I just got my 4-piece combo adult pack with the 5/8 inch spacing from Cindy Woodcraft. Now when you order these, you can have them made in one of 4 colors. You can have them white, blue, purple, or green. So this just shows you all the different color options that you have. Now I did bring out my old Nifty Knitter set so we can compare sizes. Now this one actually has a size that's smaller that you don't have in your Nifty Knitter set. This one would be good for, I'd say, for baby booties, things like that. And then the second size looks the same as the small. That one looks like it's roughly the same. And then, oh, nice. Okay, this one looks to be a little larger than the third size down, which is pretty nice because this one typically this one right here tends to be a little small for my daughter when I make hats out of it. So that will be perfect. So this should make hats perfect for her right now. And then this large one, let's see, is it? Oh, great. And it looks like it's a little larger than the second to the largest in the Cindy Woodcraft set. Which, that's great too, because typically if I make adult hat, like for this size, which is your second, it might be green in your set if you've got a Nifty Knitter set. Typically this one will be a little tight for adults, so this is awesome. Very awesome. I'm very excited about this. Alright, well that's really all I have for this. I haven't even had a chance to use them yet. I just wanted to do a little video and show everybody, that way you can see how they, the size compares towards your Nifty Knitter looms. So that way if you are looking to purchase a set, this can help you decide which set would be best for you and your needs. Alright, thank you.